Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stream Netflix on Discord with audio. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, simply tap open your Discord app, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the person's profile you want to call and share your screen to, or just stream your Netflix. So once you have tapped on that profile, you can simply tap on the video call option. So once you simply tap on it, you can find an option called share your screen. Simply tap on share your screen and tap on start now. Once you do this, you can simply open your Netflix and stream it. However, Netflix has not allowed Netflix has now restricted you to share your screen. So if you're going to share your Netflix screen on Discord, the audio will be available. However, the video will only be of blank space. But if you're gonna stream YouTube or any other channels, then it will provide you a full screen space as well as the audio. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative video. Thank you for watching.